Good morning, everyone. I'm Dan Chin with Dan Chin Homes and Inventure Realty Group, and we are going to start our second virtual open house for the morning. We have 4 today. This next one is a brand new listing. It's a beautiful townhome condominium. This condo has over $47,000 in improvements since the seller bought it. New carpet, new toilets, new patio doors and windows, furnace, thermostat, light fixtures, etc. This condo has been completely redone and it's gorgeous. I can't wait to show it to you. We're doing these virtual open houses to help keep everyone safe, as I just touched my face, of course. So we're not having public open houses right now, just so that we can keep that social distancing, keep that 6 feet of space. We are doing private showings on listings and virtual showings. We're staggering them so that there's not more than one party in a home at a time. And last weekend, 3 out of the 4 open houses we did this way sold. So let's put that good energy out there, and hopefully these get sold quickly as well. So why don't we get right into this video here. I'm going to walk you through this beautiful new listing right near Richmond Hills Park. It's just gorgeous, so check this out. So you have a private 1-car garage and beautiful views. You are an end unit, so you have great windows, great natural light throughout the home. Nice private deck, again overlooking that green space. This big open layout is perfect for entertaining. You could be in the kitchen, making a meal or snacks, and continuing to socialize with your guests or your family members. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Check out the size of this master suite. Once again, beautiful views. Imagine when all those trees fill in with leaves. It's hard to convey via the video, but this is a very large master suite. There's also a nice big walk-in closet. And just down the hall, you have another full bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms. Both very good sized bedrooms. hall bath has a tub shower combo, so you still have a bathtub, which is great. So there's a door just to the left there that goes to your attached private one-car garage with extra storage space. And then downstairs we have a beautiful finished space with another bathroom and a fantastic rec room with a gas fireplace. Mentioned before that this home got a brand new furnace in 2016, so you won't have to worry about replacing that. Sump pump. Most of the mechanicals are newer, which is fantastic. Most people buying a condominium home like this who want, snow removal taken care of, lawn care taken care of, they also don't want to have to deal with replacing major appliances anytime soon. So that is all part of this beautiful home. There's the garage. You can see the seller moved some of their stuff out here for staging. So just one block away, that was the condo in the distance, you have Richmond Hill Park, which is a beautiful park. There's a play set there, just big open field, great space for taking walks, just enjoying the outdoors. Obviously this was a gloomy day when I shot this video, but imagine what that would be like in the summer. So thanks for watching that video of our virtual open house for our newest listing on Dell Drive. If you'd like to set up a showing, you can message us through Facebook. You can call or text us at 608-620-4177. We'd be happy to set up a private showing for you. At this price, this home is going to go quickly. It is gorgeous. So be sure to contact us right away if you have any interest at all, and we'd be happy to help you. Again, we are doing private showings not only in person, but also virtually if you prefer that, if you're more comfortable with that. Whatever you're comfortable with. We're adapting to this new environment and want to make sure everyone's being safe and that we're helping do our part to help keep people be safe, which is why we're doing these virtual open houses. I'll be doing another one coming up at 10:30. And let's see, that one, it's also a brand new listing out in McFarland for a large luxury home. So I will see you here again at 10:30. Again, thank you for joining us, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.